Let's start with a brutal truth. The game is rigged. You have been taught a formula for life since you were 5 years old. Go to school, get good grades, get a safe job, save 10%, retire at 65. This is not a plan for wealth. This is a plan for mediocrity. Look around you. How many people following that formula are actually free? How many are happy? How many are wealthy? Almost none. They are trapped in the rat race. They trade their time for money. But here is the mathematical problem. You have limited time. If you earn $30 an hour, or even $300 an hour, you have a ceiling. You have to sleep. You have to eat. You cannot work 24 hours a day. If your income is tied to your time, you will never be wealthy. You will simply be a highly paid slave. To become a millionaire by 2026, you don't need a raise. You need a completely new algorithm. So, what is the correct formula? Wealth is not a function of how hard you work. It is a function of the magnitude of the problem you solve, multiplied by the number of people you solve it for. This is the scale equation. Think about a restaurant owner. He works 14 hours a day. He cooks the food. He serves the tables. But he can only feed 50 people a night. His income is capped. Now, think about the person who started a franchise or the person who created a cooking channel on YouTube. They do the work once, they record the video once, they write the recipe once, but that work is consumed by millions. The restaurant owner operates on addition. The content creator operates on multiplication. If you want to make millions, stop looking for a job. Start looking for a system that scales. You must find a way to serve 1 million people, even while you sleep. To achieve this scale, you need leverage. Archimedes said, "Give me a lever long enough, and I shall move the world." In the modern economy, there are 4 types of leverage. The first is labor, other people working for you. This is the old way. It is messy. It requires management. It is expensive. The second is capital, money working for you. This is powerful, but you need money to get money. It is a high barrier to entry. But the third and fourth types, these are the holy grail for the new rich. Code and media. Code is the software running in the background. Media is the video, the podcast, the blog post you write. Here is the magic of code and media. They are permissionless leverage. You don't need anyone's permission to record a YouTube video. You don't need anyone's permission to build an app. And once you build it, the cost of replicating it is zero. Whether one person watches your video or 1 million people watch it, the cost to you is the same. But the revenue is infinite. This channel you are watching right now, this is leverage. Most people go through life as consumers. They wake up and scroll Instagram. They watch Netflix. They buy the shoes. They eat the food. They are the battery that powers the economy. To be wealthy, you must violently switch sides. You must become a producer. When you scroll through TikTok, don't laugh at the video. Analyze it. Why did it go viral? What was the hook? What is the business model? When you buy a coffee, don't just drink it. Look at the cup. Look at the supply chain. Look at the branding. A consumer sees a product. A producer sees a process. You need to stop eating the meal and start owning the restaurant. Stop watching the show and start owning the studio. Every dollar leaving your pocket is a soldier you are sending away to fight for someone else. Every dollar entering your pocket is a soldier you have captured to fight for you. Now, a warning. Leverage takes time to kick in. In a linear job, you work 1 hour, you get paid for 1 hour. The feedback is instant. In a leveraged business, like a YouTube channel or a startup, you might work for 2 years and see 0 results. This is the valley of death. Most people quit here. They say, I posted 10 videos and nobody watched. They say, I tried for 6 months and didn't make $1 million. They don't understand compounding. Compounding is the 8th wonder of the world. It applies to money, but it also applies to effort. It applies to reputation. It applies to audience growth. The first 100 subscribers are harder to get than the next 10,000. You are pushing a boulder up a hill. It is heavy. It is slow. But once you reach the top, and it starts rolling down the other side. Nothing can stop it. You are not paid for your effort in the beginning. You are paid for your persistence at the end. This brings us to the concept of asymmetric bets. In a job, the bet is symmetric. You give time, you get money. If you get fired, you lose everything. In a leveraged business, the bet is asymmetric. What is the downside of starting a YouTube channel? You lose some time. Maybe you feel a little embarrassed. The downside is capped. It is finite. But what is the upside? The upside is a brand, a network, millions of dollars, freedom. The upside is infinite. Wealthy people hunt for asymmetric bets. They look for opportunities where the risk is low, but the reward is uncapped. You are part of a team. You have 5 minds. That is 5 times the leverage. If you all focus on creating asymmetric opportunities, one of them will hit, and one hit is all you need. So, how do we land this plane? How do we get you to the millionaire status by 2026? You need to stop thinking about making money. Money is just a number in a database. You need to think about building systems. Step 1. Identify a problem that a lot of people have. Step 2. Learn the specific knowledge required to solve it. Step 3. Build a solution using code or media. Build once, sell twice. Step 4. Use the leverage of your team to scale it. We are entering a new age. The gatekeepers are gone. The walls are down. There is no boss stopping you. There is no corporation stopping you. The only variable left is you. Are you willing to endure the valley of death? Are you willing to switch from consumer to producer? Are you willing to bet on yourself? The year 2026 is coming. The clock is ticking. Don't just watch this video. Execute it. Build the system. Own the leverage. Master the algorithm. I'll see you at the top. Subscribe if you are ready to build.